Hey guys, well, I'm in the shop today and I just wanted to post a quick video. I got a package in the mail today. It was Federal Express. It came from China. Now on March 25th, I was out in the shop and I had a mishap on the Precision Matthews and I cracked my spindle. Not sure if you can see that there, but it definitely cracked it, actually all the way up to the shoulder. There's a hairline crack. I'll see if I can get a close-up picture of that. I was really irritated about that. It was totally my fault, but you know, things happen. So anyways, I emailed Matt over at Precision Matthews and told him I needed a new spindle, that I had cracked mine. Could he get me one? About a day later, I think, he emailed me back and sent me some pictures and wanted me to double check to make sure that this was the spindle he had was in fact the correct spindle. Or it may have been the same day, I think. Yeah, I think it was the same day because I work at night, so I kind of emailed him. It was early in the morning and he responded that day. I think that was the 25th. And then on the 26th, he emailed me back and said, "Hey Sam, I've got a spindle coming to you from China. We are shut down due to the coronavirus, so I won't be able to ship anything out of the office." So he had one directly shipped to me from China. Matt, I can't thank you enough. You know, there's something to be said about customer service, and Matt at Precision Matthews, he always responds to my emails, and if I have any issues, he always takes care of them. Coronavirus, he still was able to get this out to me, so really appreciate that. Alright guys, thanks for watching the videos. I'm working on some belt drive parts for the Precision Matthews, so the next video we'll be working on the bottom bearing block. We'll be doing some work on the G0602, so stay tuned for that. Hey guys, stay safe out there. We are in shelter in place where I live, and so this actually gives me some time to do some machining. I was supposed to be on a cruise in the Bahamas this week. Instead, I'm at home working in the shop. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel and you're just tuning in, click on the subscribe button. That way, when I post a new video, if it's something you're interested in, you can stop by and check it out. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, and most importantly, be safe.